In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the highlight color in Adobe Reader. First, open Adobe Reader and select the Highlight tool from the Tool menu on your screen. If you can't find the tool, you can search for it using the search box at the top of the screen. Once you've selected the Highlight tool, select the text you want to highlight. The text will automatically be highlighted in the default color. To change the color, look for the color option on the menu. Click on the color box and select your preferred color from the palette. Now, any new text you highlight will have this color. To change the color of text that's already highlighted, click on the highlighted text. A box will appear around the highlighted area along with the color option. Click on the color box and choose a different color. The color of the highlighted text will update immediately. Once you've changed the highlight color, it will also be reflected in the navigation menu, and any new text you highlight will automatically use the new color. And that's how you can change the highlight color in Adobe Acrobat Reader.